this Discovery planetarium.
Here's Discovery.
Discovery Zone, or Mind Zone, whatever it is. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put that together. It's got a bunch of cardboard pieces and some electronics to help it light up and spin or do whatever it does. So what I do here is put some batteries in now. Got it. There we go.
Okay. I think we put them in here.
See the screw?
Yeah, the screw.
I think that one's on it. You want to do it?
Shoot. Alright, we did the thing.
There you go. So the flat side of the battery goes on the spring. Yeah. Alright, so
Just put that back
put that back on. And then number 2 is attach foam circles to the back. Stand A and B.
Attach foam circles to the back.
Huh?
They do a screw back in.
Yeah, put the screw back. Did you get this on there? Hold on a second. Take that off. Let go. Take that off. See this on the back?
Mm-hmm.
You stick that in the slot and then, yeah, that's it. That's that screwed up. Alright, I think those are the foam circles. And they go on the back of A and B. Where's that?
And
Okay, yeah, pop those out.
these are over here.
Yeah, those are the pieces.
Okay. Okay.
And the circles, I don't know how that goes. Do they just stick? Are they just stickers? Okay, if you look real close, you can kind of see there's a black circle.
Yeah, so I also have to
I think that's how it goes.
We figured out that you can peel these off.
Yeah, peel it off and stick it nice center in the circle.
Center.
Right in the middle. Good. Same thing here on that one. Good. So, I'm just set the pieces aside for now, the extra ones. Number 3 is place 4 double-sided foam stickers onto the battery and LED tray. 2 on each side below the sliding battery door. Okay, so I think that's these square foam squares. Awesome. Alright, so we need 4 of those, so go ahead and peel 4 of those.
4 of these?
No, the squares, these.
Okay.
Not so you stick them, see the thing?
Mm-hmm.
It's got 4 right on the sides.
Goes like here or something?
Yeah, yep. Good. Yep, under the top. Now mow down the other way more, go that way.
think it needs to be closer.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
I'm sure it needs to be closer.
That's pretty good. See the screw right there? It's around that same area. And then just do the same thing the other side.
Okay.
Okay. And the next is number 4. With the power switch facing up, attach the battery and LED tray to stand B. Make sure the top of the battery and LED tray is flush with the bottom edge of the foam circle. Okay. So with that, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. So the switch facing up like this, right? I guess is how it goes. Right? Yeah. So go ahead and unpeel those and stick it on there nicely. No, not that one, the other side. Where you're gonna do it. We're gonna stick it. Got it?
Got it.
Not coming off easy, huh? You take that one. Alright.
Then put like.
Yeah, I would say stick it right over those letters there. Nice and even. Good. Okay. Good enough, I guess. And number 5. Well, it says flush with the foam circle, actually.
Flush.
Let's see if I can move that. That wasn't too hard to take off. Flush with the circle. Means that it touches it. I guess that's okay. Okay, number 5. Insert LED port through stand B. Make sure the back is vertical. What is LED port? Okay, so
Got the piece.
okay, let's stick that in there. Does it go? Yeah, it does. That's the way it goes. Is it in?
Yep. I think it's in.
Okay. Alright, I'll stick the LED in there. Okay, it says insert an LED through the LED port, short leg left and long leg right. Alright, go ahead and grab it out of there.
Okay, and go grab the needle.
The light, the
Oh.
LED light bulb. There's 2 there, see them? Just grab one.
I got one, okay.
Yeah, okay, good. Now it says left leg, what is it? Short leg left and long leg right. So, this is the short leg left and long leg right. I'm going to stick that in. Right?
Yep. That's good.
And then it says attach the black wire to the short leg and the red wire to the long leg. Make sure the LED's legs do not touch.
Put that in there.
I keep blocking my shot.
Sorry.
Okay, now the red one.
Red one. And then because
Okay, you can press it on there. Press it on pretty good. Okay, so test A is tester connections by sliding the switch on the battery to the on position. Go ahead. Do the switch.
Switch the light.
Yeah, try to scoop it up. Got it? Is it tough? Alright. There we go. We have light. Nice.
Light.
Cool.
I think the cat lady approves.
Alright, go ahead and turn that off so we don't waste the battery. Okay, number 9. Attach stand A to the battery and LED tray. Make sure the top of the battery and LED tray is flush with the bottom of the foam circle. Okay, same thing basically.
Gonna peel these.
Yeah, peel those.
Can't.
Not coming off. There you go. Well done. Now touch the foam to the top. Yep. And then stick it together. You touching? Good. Okay, number 10.
Hold the top of stand B into stand A. Then slide the wooden dowel.
Dowel. That's the stick. Dowel through.
Attach the feet to the bottom stand A and B.
Okay, so that's like a lot of steps in one shot. Alright, so first you have to bend, before the stick, you're supposed to bend this over. See, there's some seams there a little bit.
So here.
Yep. Bend it over on the corner. Hold on there, big dog.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna bend this one over first.
This
thing's getting in the way a little bit. The wire here. Alright, you want it in there. You push it down and I'll move the wire. There we go. Alright. And then this side. Now I guess what you do is push that right through.
working anything?
Yeah, no, it's going through. I can already see it. Coming through.
Going.
Yep, keep pushing. Twist it. There you go, good. Keep pushing it.
If I push this all the way through, go subscribe.
Alright. Right to the middle, I think, is how it works. That's good. That's pretty good. Right there, that's fine. Okay, here's the stand feet. Okay, put those on. You know how to do it? Good. You can push it up more than that. It goes all the way up. Goes all the way up until it's flat. There you go. Other side too. Okay. Here, this is off. Here we go. Oh, good. Okay. Looking pretty interesting so far. Okay, number 11. Place the Constellation Board pieces on top of a sheet of cardboard and poke holes through the white circles using the pin. Alright, so this is the Constellation Board, and I guess you just take the thumbtack and put some holes where all the white dots are.
Mm.
Yeah, just right, yeah, in the middle of all those white dots, I guess, or all the dots, I think. Maybe it's just the white dots. You can poke it right through. You can use the box, that'll be better.
Yeah.
Go ahead, push it right through. You can do it. Give it a little twist. There you go. Okay, all the holes are poked.
What are you
Alright. Peel one side of the double-sided foam stickers, line them up, and firmly stick them around the constellation hoop where indicated. I think that's this thing. And we gotta put the stickers on all the little spaces.
Okay. Here's the last one.
Okay, good. Okay, place these in your constellation board facing up. And fold the outer flaps up and the inside flaps down.
Do
Okay,
this.
bend all the outer edges up. And I guess each one of these goes onto here. Okay, this is together after not much ado. And I'm going to run out of time here, so if you haven't yet, go ahead and what? Subscribe?
Subscribe and like the video.
Yeah. I think that's what we're looking at. I'm running out of space, so go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to put this all in another video. We'll put it together the rest of the way and see how this works. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We appreciate it.
That's a witch's hat.
Mm-hmm.